paglaro. Eh sabi ko sa kanila, anong klaseng laro ba? Balagbagan ba o ano? Hindi ko kasi maintindihan eh. Yun pala yung dahilan kung bakit nila tayo pinatawag eh.
Uy, puto ng ina mo.
Makit, kung saan tayo? Lamo,
Uy, patay ka siya.
Sa likod din. Nasa likod din. Opo. Kita mo. Takot lang.
Down.
Patay ka. Meron pa dyan isa. Babae dito. Dito muna tayo. Balik tayo sa
Bayan, down to na ako. Das, ikaw.
Isang tingin dito. Boom!
Dito nga pa rin.
Boom! Boom!
Lutan mo, Ati.
Baba.
Lutan mo.
Baba!
Aray ko.
Down
Down
one.
one.
Isa na lang yan. Pwede nyo
Dalawa
lang.
pa. Dalawa pa. Akit na lang ako.
Down.
You have some beef with my brother or what?
Hindi mo
brother.
basta makapasok sa airport. Oo.
Pero eto,
Sabi ko
may
sa'yo,
tanong ako.
Elijah.
May tanong ako.
Laman ko lang. Wait lang, ako muna.
Oh, sige, Tit.
Sorry, my bad. Sorry for interruption, Elijah. Is everything alright, bro?
Yeah, it's okay, brother.
We good here?
It's Miso's parents.
Because I don't understand the stuff that's going on, but you know I'm right here watching your back, bro. So let me know what you know.
What?
It's
Bro,
okay,
what
it's
are you
okay.
talking about, bro? What are you talking about, bro?
Oh, hey. Don't raise voice to my...
What is that? You gotta be
Don't raise voice to my brother, eh?
Good guy.
What the fuck are you talking about, eh?
Why do...
Hey,
Na-vlog lahat. Man, na-vlog lahat.
May shooting! Gago! Minawa mo rin. Bigig, you failed, man.
I tried to control and shoot, man. Officer, there's something going on. Let's get a car out of it. Let's get a car out of it. I don't have money. I don't have money. Take it.
Naka-vlog na ako, nagbo-vlog.
Faster.
Sisend ko sa'yo. Oo.